Hi everyone, my name is Greg and I'm one of the co-founders of Steno. This video is a quick rundown of how to set up and join a Steno video conference. We typically see attorneys use this kind of technology when they prefer not to travel to the location of the deposition and instead take the deposition from the comfort of their home or from their office. To get started, you're going to need three important things. First, you're going to need a phone. Second, you're going to need a computer with a webcam. And third, you're going to need a good, stable internet connection. So let's get started. First place you want to go is to the meeting invite. We generally send this out ahead of time from the depot notice and from any information that we get from the paralegal or yourself about who the parties are that will be attending. This invite goes out to all of them as well as the court reporter just to make sure that everyone has the same information. This invite has all the information for how to join via video, how to join via audio, and you should get the same invite on your calendar as well. You can go there and see all that same relevant information. To get started, you want to click on this steno.zoom.us. You can also type that directly into a web browser if that's easier for you. In this case, I'm just going to click on it, and that takes you to our Steno Depots from a Distance meeting center here. This has all the pertinent information that you need to start your deposition. We've got a few helpful videos here. You may be watching this one, how to join, as well as if this is the first time you're doing a remote deposition, we've got a few helpful tips here for how to prep exhibits, as well as how to share exhibits on your screen if you want to mark up or annotate an exhibit. Below here, we also have our phone number, 888-707-8366, as well as an FAQ. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to reach out to us. All of these things are here to help you. And separately, just for your guidance and your reference, about 30 minutes prior to all video calls, a Steno staff member will join those calls just to make sure that if anyone is having any technical issues, that we can be there to help assist. This sometimes happens with opposing counsel or with deponents if this is their first time using this service. All of this is powered by Zoom. They're a great service and a great provider for us. This is really our landing page and where to kick everything off. Before I jump in to actually join this meeting here, I want to point out one other thing. If you're joining from a mobile device, you can scroll to the bottom of this page and click on Download Client, whether you're on an iPhone or an Android device. That will take you directly to the relevant app store where you can download the Zoom app. And that Zoom app, once you download it, you can open it and click on Join within the app, and that will basically give you the same workflow that you're using here. One thing to call out, we definitely recommend joining from a computer at all or whenever possible. That is our recommended course of action. The mobile device will work in a pinch, but it's definitely a little bit less optimal. In this case, I'm going to jump off here. I'm going to click on Join. It's asking me and prompting me for the meeting ID. I can copy that meeting ID from here, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Grab my meeting ID, I hit copy, and I paste it right in here, and I'm all set to go. If this is your first time doing a Zoom video conference, you will get prompted to download and run Zoom. It may run automatically for you, but again, if this is your first time, we recommend clicking this download and run Zoom link here. That will open an executable file that is the Zoom client for your desktop computer or your laptop. If I click on that, it's going to open up, and this is the best way to run a Zoom meeting from your computer. Once this opens, it's going to prompt me for my name momentarily, which I'm going to put in, and then I'm going to go ahead and click Join Meeting. So it does a little screenshot of me just to make sure I like the video that's showing up. In this case, I'm going to join with video so everyone can see my bright smiling face. And I'm going to join via phone call. This is the recommended way that we suggest for joining a Zoom meeting. That same information is also again listed in the invite. I'm going to pick the number that's closest to me. I'm actually going to put it on speaker here as well so you can hear what this sounds like. Give me 2 seconds as I type this number in for San Jose. And that's calling now.
Welcome to Zoom. Enter your meeting ID followed by pound.
So I'm going to enter my meeting ID here, 290-800-037 pound.
Enter your participant ID followed by pound. Otherwise,
Also going to enter my
you
participant
are
ID.
in the meeting now. You are the
And
first participant.
I'm in the
Please
meeting.
stand by. This meeting is being recorded.
So I don't want to join via computer audio if I've joined via my phone. Again, we generally recommend joining via your phone. The connection is far more stable than on the internet side of things. If your internet happens to go out, people will still hear you. The only cases where we recommend joining via your computer audio is if your cell connection is not good where you are. That's it. Now I've joined the meeting, and we have a few more successive videos that show you how to use everything once you're here, but I can see myself here, and I'm all set up and ready to go. We really appreciate you guys joining for this video today, and are excited to help you with this great new technology that we're offering. Thank you so much.